Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to make quesadillas. Beef and chicken to be exact. I'm going to show you a super easy way to do it. I'm using leftover taco or burrito filling or whatever you want to call it. But this is really good for a quick lunch, quick supper, whatever you want, quick snack, super easy way to do it. So sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, this is really super easy. I've got my chicken here and my beef. I didn't video making the chicken and beef up. It's real easy. For the chicken, I take 2 cans of the canned cooked chicken breasts, put that in a frying pan, and I add about 6 tablespoons of the McCormick's original taco seasoning. It's really good stuff. I use it in a lot of different things, but you just put it in there, put it on medium low. I drain 1 can, leave the liquid in one of the other can in there. Just kind of break it up, let it simmer and cook for 15-20 minutes, just till it's good and warm all the way through. Taste it, add a little more seasoning if you want. Take a little away, you can't take it away, but and then the beef are just real thin minute steaks, cut crossways across the grain, real thin strips, Same thing, add a little bit of water to it, and keep adding the seasoning until it's to what I like. So, that's, if you guys want a video on that, I'll do one. But that's, I didn't think it was really necessary to show how to make that because it's super easy. So, alright, let's make our quesadillas here. So, I've got our shell, and I'm using the Ole, I guess you'd pronounce it, Extreme Wellness High Fiber. These are keto friendly for my keto diet. So, but yeah, we're just gonna take some of this chicken, put in there. And you notice I'm like putting it right down the middle. I'll explain that here in a second. Show you why I'm doing it that way. Leave a little bit of a gap there. Get our cheese. Good helping of cheese up in there. Alright, there's that. Now, take this, pull it over that way. Take this, pull it over that way. Kind of squeeze it, press down right there in the middle, fold it over. And the reason why we're doing it that way is we're going to cook them in the toaster. So, to get it like that, kind of smoosh it. And mine's a little thick, but it'll be alright. Stick it down in there. I'm going to make up 3 more. You guys can see how it fits down in there nicely. So, I'm going to make up another chicken one, a couple beef ones. We'll stick them in there. And, alright, y'all. Got all 4 of those made up. Now, I got my toaster set on a little warmer setting. About a bagel, maybe a little darker. But, yeah, you just set the toaster, make sure they get down in there. Mine are a little tight, so I stuffed them a little extra, but it'll be alright. So, I got a little smoke coming off that one, but anyways, just let them toast up, and I kind of keep an eye on them just to make sure that they're not burning or anything, because like I said, all toasters differ, so I can't tell you exactly what setting or how long to cook them for. But yeah, so I'm going to sit here and watch them, and when they get done, we'll try them out. if you guys can tell, but the cheese is starting to get a little melty, so we know we're getting warm. So we'll just let her keep on cooking. Alright, my toaster just popped there, so we're going to see if we can't get them worked up out of here. Sometimes you got to use a little plastic fork. Don't stick metal down in your toaster. Check them. Oh yeah, that one looks good. Oh yeah. Alright. Warm. Grab me a pair of tongs. Maybe. There we go. That one got a little warm there, but it'll be alright. We'll still eat it. Alright. There we go. Get that back out of the way. See, they got a little warm there, but you know, this one here ain't toasted very well, but the rest of them are. They're nice and hot and steamy, so I'm going to let them cool just a little bit, and we'll do our little taste test. Alright y'all, time for the taste test. We're going to start out with one of the chicken ones, because I like the chicken ones a lot better than anything else, but it's one of my favorites. The outside, almost perfect. Of course, the filling's delicious too, but I made it, so how could it not be? But got one of the beef ones here. Just as good. Alright. There you have it. I make quick and easy quesadillas using leftovers from your tacos or burritos or even fajitas or whatever. You can make just plain cheese ones too. Put the cheese in there, a little taco seasoning on it. Fold them up, pop them in that toaster. A few minutes, they're done, ready to go. So, you know, that's it. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell. Get all the different notifications of everything we do here in the kitchen, garage, and out tractor pulls and stuff. So, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit.